In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer. First step is to switch on the printer, and we'll just open this chamber. Wait for the ink chamber to move and come to this side. To remove the ink cartridges, press it and it will come out. So just hold it with the hand and just take it out. If you leave it, the spring will push it strongly and it can just damage itself. This printer uses ink 952, so you can use the XL or normal number. To install the new ink cartridge, make sure the HP logo and the alphabets match here. So you can start with the black, yellow. You have to press it inside. There is a spring at the back and then it will lock itself. Once we install the ink cartridges, close the ink chamber. For that, just place this over here. Go to the display panel to check if the ink is installed properly. And if you want to check the ink level, go to the cartridge information and press OK. Click on the estimated levels and it will display how much ink is there. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.